Hi you guys, my name is Rachel and I'm a first year third grade teacher, and today is open house. For the most part, my class is pretty much done. I do have a couple things. Well, actually, I feel like I have a lot of things. My to-do list is like never ending, but I am doing a couple last minute like room decor things, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on like you know, the important stuff. I'm hanging one of these up here, this little area. All right, here's what it looks like. I think it looks super cute. Last but not least, I need to do this little area. So I'm gonna do that one, and then I think we're gonna do this pray more, worry less above it. And then I don't know what to do up there at the top, but we'll see. And this is like really cute, but it's just too heavy, I think, to hang up. Okay, we have that right there. I think it looks cute. Nothing up there yet, but oh, actually I know what I'm gonna put up there. And then I added my little welcome sign. I got this yesterday from Hobby Lobby. And that is definitely what I'm gonna put up there because it matches that. Okay, you guys, my best friend just came by and gave me this picture of us. That was the sweetest thing ever. Also, I went ahead and turned all my lights on just because, I don't know, I thought it was pretty. There's kind of like an overview of that little area, and then I have been cutting out these that are gonna go on their little gift baggies, and then also here like for my my little box like bins that they're gonna be putting their supplies in. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting out these so that I can go ahead and staple them on there, and then I can go ahead and pass those out. Now time to staple them on the front of all the baggies. All done. Here's what they look like. I think they're so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and go lay them on their desks. I have their baggies laid out with their popcorn in their folder, and then their pencil holder and Ziploc baggie for their markers. I have a to-do list that's like a mile long, so I'm about to go ahead and start working on that. The first thing is I need to redo my slides because I decided I'm gonna have them put their markers and their pencils away in the right spot, but then we're gonna like sort all the other supplies on Thursday. But just to kind of give them a little something to do while their parents are filling out forms, I figured might as well be productive and sort their materials or their supplies. But they're just putting their markers in a Ziploc baggie, and I need to go put their names on their baggie, and then putting 5 pencils in their pencil holder, and then the rest they'll just put in their desk or put in our like bins, and then we'll like sort them on Thursday. Also, hello, this was me in 3rd grade. I made my checklist and directions little information sheet that I'm gonna be putting on their desks because I'm gonna have something on the board that's gonna be kind of like short and sweet, and then once they get to their desks, they'll get this like longer directions and checklist that I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like. I put my Bitmojis, and I just think they're so cute. But yeah, once they've checked all that stuff off, then they can leave. So now I'm gonna go print that and then just set it at their desk, and then I'll pretty much be like okay for open house, except for I do need to print off their donate donuts. So I need to do that and hang that up, and then just hang up the little sign, like the station signs, but that's all, and it's only 9:58, so I'm feeling good. I'm going to lunch at 11:45, and like that's when I need to have everything done by, so I have like 2-ish hours almost. While that's printing, I'm gonna go around in all the gallon baggies. I'm gonna go and put their names on them. An hour has literally flown by, but I'm gonna show you everything I've done in the last hour. I made my parent sign-in sheet that's gonna go outside of my door. I also kind of cleaned up a little bit. Also added that lamp there. Don't think I've shown that yet, but cleaned up everything. Then over here in the front, I have, these are just like clear bins that I literally like have storage in them because they're not gonna stay in those bins. It's just for sorting purposes, so all of those. Over here we have my parent wish jar. So you write your child a wish, and then I give it to them on the first day. Here is where they're signing up for parties. And then up here I'm hanging with burlap donuts so they can take to donate to our class. Well, they're not, you know, donating donuts. They're just taking a donut that has something on it that they're gonna donate. Here is a little sneak peek of my outfit. I'm curling my hair though before I brought my curling iron to school with me, so here's the OOTD. Shoes are from Boho Blue. Dress is Target and it has these little frilly sleeves. And then that I think is J. Crew maybe. And my shoe hoops. And one of my students made me this cross bracelet last year, so I'm wearing it tonight. Here is my slide when they come in. I think it's so cute. Hello, I'm back. It has been a while. My hair is done. I think it looks cute. I need to curl like a couple of these front pieces again right before. It's like 45 minutes until people come and I'm getting really nervous. I need to put their student of the week little thing like in their folders and I'm so nervous. So I need to like text my team really quick and like make sure, like see how they're doing it, because I don't know if I'm supposed to go through the whole folder with them or like if I just hand them the folder and they look through it like on their own. I don't know. So I need to check and see, but I'm really excited and nervous, but I'm really excited to see all of my little munchkins, and I don't know. I know it's gonna like, I'm gonna be so excited when it actually happens. I think just like the thought of it is kind of making me nervous. So it'll be all good. Also, I moved my yay balloons to over there because the door, I just figured people would hit it coming in and they're already kind of deflating. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very disappointed with that Amazon purchase, but it's okay. Looks cute, so. Hi you guys, it is the next day. Last night got so busy and crazy, I didn't have any chance to video. So I'm gonna go through and kind of show you like what I had laid out and where they put their stuff at, and then kind of like the process of the night. The first thing is this was my supplies area. So their extra pencils, hand sanitizer, sandwich bags, gallon size bags, Clorox wipes, and tissues, and then all the candy. Look how yummy. And then over here I had my items for parties. And then over here I put my yay balloons instead of putting them at the door. Then I had parent wish, and you guys, the parents absolutely loved this. Like all of them were just like so excited to do that. And then they were like my little donut things. But yeah, so that was kind of like the process, and most everyone remembered to take their baggie except for 2, and then I didn't have one come. But yeah, they had like their directions at their desk, and so everyone put like their pencils in their little pencil holder. I'm trying to find one. So it looks like this. They have it in their little toothbrush holder that has their number on it, and they have 5, and then they put their rest in the extra pencil bin just so there wouldn't be like an overwhelming amount of pencils, because you guys, like each person brought like 3 packs of pencils, so which is great. So we have those pencils, and then they put their colored pencils in this plastic baggie, and then I need to get another one for their their crayons, or I might put them together. I'm gonna see what the other teachers are doing because I'm not sure. I don't know. And then here were their baggies that they're not opening until Thursday morning. And then as far as their desk goes, I pretty much told them to just put everything in their desk for right now, which is a lot of stuff. And so not sure how like your open house works, but like mine, when there were like 7 families in here at one time, it was really hard to like give instructions or anything like that, and I knew it would be, so I kind of like planned for that. And so that's why I didn't have them sort through their materials or anything like that. I just like told them to stick everything in their desk and that we would like mess with it and sort it on Thursday. But 2 things I am going to do today: they all brought loose leaf paper, and this is donated to the class, and they're like, they know that. So I'm going to be collecting that, and also their index cards that they brought for the class. So those are 2 just of like the paper product things that I'm going to be collecting. Everything else, they have like 2 zipper pouches, a notebook, 5 folders, colored pencils, and expo markers. I don't know if I said that or not, but some of that stuff will be going in our like community bins. So we're gonna sort through all of that on Thursday, tomorrow. Wow, I can't believe it's tomorrow, but we'll go through all of that, and that'll be easy to just have them, you know, like hold up like your expo marker like container or pouch thingy, or like, what is that? I don't know. Hold up your extra markers, and then I'll say like take 2 and put them in one of your zipper pouches. And then the rest of the extra markers will go in our community bin. And then the same thing for like they have bar erasers, and so put 2 of the bar erasers. Some only have 2, but some I saw brought in like big packs of it. So I'm gonna say keep 2 in your zipper pouch, then donate the rest to the community bins. And then like their folders, will go through each of the folders and designate which folder is gonna be for what, because we have a homework folder, an unfinished folder, a math packet folder, a reading and spelling folder, and then a math folder. So, I mean a reading folder. So we have 5, and I already have their, like their unfinished work one. It is this one, the little ketchup folder, that's so cute. So they already brought 5, and with that one it's 6. So we're going to substitute this. Is gonna be their unfinished folder, and then the one that they brought to be their unfinished folder is just gonna be for like their extra papers and stuff like that they might get if they're drawing or something like that, and they wouldn't really put that because it's like not for school in their unfinished work folder. So anywho, that's kind of like the thing. We have a faculty meeting at 10, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to go around and get everyone's loose leaf paper index cards out of their desks just to make it a little less full, and then we're gonna sort all the supplies in the front. All right, I went through and got everything out of their desks, and for now, I like don't have these cabinets completely organized, but I just put them up here. I have the index cards, and then behind, or right here, right, like you can kind of see them. Those are the loose leaf papers, and then those 2 things, but I'm gonna try to like figure out how to do that a little bit better. We'll see, but I'm actually gonna meet with my team really quick, so I'll be back. I just got out of my faculty meeting and my team meeting, and both were great. I have so much I need to do because I'm a little overwhelmed. This is like my to-do list, or like not my to-do list, well kind of. It's like my lessons for tomorrow based off of like what the other teachers are doing, and then some like procedures they told me like would be good to go over. Also, I found out what there needs to go in their 2 pencil pouches, so need to like make sure I have that down for tomorrow. And yeah, I guess that's it. And then just some other things, but I also have to take like a course thing that I need to do. And then I'm also getting one of those, we can't have a mini fridge, like a standard size, in all the classrooms, so there's 1 per floor, but each class can have like their own like 6-can little mini fridge thing that you've probably seen. So I'm getting one of those for my classroom. So I need to get one of those. I have a gift card to Target, so I'm gonna get it from there. So now I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. It's been a little bit, and I got Chick-fil-A. But I have been cleaning out my closet. It was like a disaster. Like it had just, because basically for open house, I just like cleared things and put them in my closet to kind of just get them out of the way so people wouldn't see them. So now I'm kind of still just organizing things, and I know I need to start working on my like plans for tomorrow. I pretty much like know what I'm doing. I just like need to write it out in my planner just so I can like feel like solid about everything. So I'll show you what I've done in my closet. It is so much more organized. So I have all of my stuff up there. There's obviously stuff that I don't really need, and then all of this, and I kind of just cleared off this thing and organized it, and then organized all of this. So I have like paper, decorations, fabric, laminating sheets and folders. Those are mesh pouches for like games and centers. Teacher tip: if you don't have a pair of tennis shoes in your closet, you should definitely have some, because you never know when you might be playing at recess with your kiddos and you're like in platform shoes. Learned that the hard way. Have my like little vacuum cleaner and my little Lyrids. I'm honestly not trying to say that, but my little skylight thing, chalk, stuff like that. And then over here, I wasn't gonna use this. I was gonna give it away, but I am really glad I fit it, because it fits my curriculum reading books, and I can also fit other curriculum books there. And then I have paper products like for cups and stuff, and then craft supplies. And then over here, I have, oh, I need to put these batteries and my little battery thing, but I have all my desk pets. I have like 4 whole containers, and I'm pretty sure I have more than that, but anyways, here's like for my student of the week little basket. They get like special materials, and then I'll put like little goodies in there and stuff. And then in here I have like wires, nothing in this one yet, and then in this one I have like random flashcards. And yeah, so it's so much more organized. I'm feeling good about it. And then I've been going kind of through this stuff. So that's like decorations and stuff I'm not using, index cards, loose leaf paper, X markers, pencils, and then that stuff that I just put in there yesterday. So I have a lot of storage space, but this is where all like their supplies that they can come grab if they need it. It'll be in there. And then over here in this one, I have kind of like the fun stuff. So we have extra Ziploc baggies, candy, which this looks like it's about to fall. So maybe I need to like, okay, no, that looks good. And then fidgets, a whole basket of them. Those are tickets for like random things that we do. And then indoor recess stuff. So all of that. I'm now about to write little wish things for the kiddos whose parents either forgot to write them or didn't come. So I got a ton of them though, and the parents really liked doing that, so that's fun. I'm gonna lay these on their desk with their little camelbacks that Camelback donated to my classroom, so that's super exciting. I am using my Cricut to put their name on them, and then they'll be at their desks for tomorrow with like a little note from me, and then a Bible verse on the back, taste and see that the Lord is good. So just a little happy way for them to start their day. And then I think I might get a mint to put with their desk stuff and say, I don't know, something about how you were meant to be in this class or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna do these my wish for the students, and then I'm going to clean off my desk and go ahead and start putting stuff in my planner for tomorrow. Also, did you know that they had erasable highlighters? Look at how pretty these colors are too. Like, wow. All right, I have put their little wishes out on their desk and kind of cleaned up everything so it looks 10 times better in here. I've like been cleaning off my desk and everything, so that's making me feel good. I'm now like printing stuff off for tomorrow and going ahead and putting it in my rolling cart. So the first thing I printed off was my first day feelings, and so we're reading First Day Jitters tomorrow and drinking jitter juice. So after that, we will be doing this cute little activity, so they'll get to draw a picture and then write about how they're feeling, and then I'll do some other things, but I'll talk about all the first day stuff probably in a different video since this was mainly just open house stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked seeing all of my open house stuff, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching.